Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we'll study subject verb agreement. Okay, and this is actually the base of English. Okay, let's start. So subject verb agreement. Okay, the first rule says that if the subject is singular, it will take a singular verb. Let's take an example. He likes to eat. If I just write here junk food. Okay, she likes to paint. It says a lot about you. So our subject he, she, it, they are singular, and according to that we have verbs like. Because with singular, the verb has to be with s or es. So that this is what we have applied here. So he likes with likes, all right, and she likes, it says. Okay. Next rule says that if our subject is plural, okay, it will take a plural verb. It will take a plural verb. Okay, so examples we have you. With you we'll use a plural verb which is are. You are beautiful, we can say. Okay, और example लेंगे हम. They are good to go. We are tired after the trip. Okay, so subject we have you. It is considered as plural whether you're talking to some one person or many. So you are beautiful, they are good to go, and we are tired after the trip. All right. Third rule says that if two subjects are joined by and, okay, which verb will they take? They will take a plural verb. कौन सी verb लेंगे? वो plural verb लेंगे. For example, Ramesh and Rahim are good friends. Okay, so if you see Ramesh is singular, Rahim is again singular, but when they are joined by and, they take a plural verb which is are. Okay, so Ramesh and Rahim are good friends. Another example can be the doctor and nurse are in OT. All right, OT is operation theater. Again, this is singular joined by and, uses a verb plural which is are. Third rule says that when two subjects are very close, Okay, so for example, we have two subjects, subject 1 and subject 2, irrespective whether they are plural or singular. Okay, but when they are joined by and, okay, which these are very close words. Okay, so verb will be singular. For example, butter and bread, bread and butter, soup and salad, soup and salad is healthy, you can say, and bread and butter are healthy to eat. So this is it for rule number 3. All right, guys. So this was about our subject verb agreement, and we'll continue this thing in our next class. Okay. So please like and subscribe and share to our channel. Thank you.